I highly recommend getting one of these small magnetic trays. They are perfect for keeping all your little nuts and bolts and screws.
I don't need that. That's what pockets are for.
So first things first, we're going to want to start out with a small 5.5 millimeter socket. You'll go underneath the cowl and disconnect the heater hoses going in, and on top of those is a really small bolt that's over top of a clamp.